Welcome to Asero Automotive, your go-to source for everything automobile. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of cars, we've got you covered. From in-depth reviews and expert maintenance tips to the latest industry news and trend, we bring you the best of the automotive world. So buckle up and let's hit the road together on this journey of discovery, passion, and adventure. Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to optimize your car's performance. Are you looking to get most out of your daily driving? These tips will help you keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about regular maintenance. One of the simplest yet effective ways to optimize your car performance is to follow a consistent maintenance schedule. This includes regular oil changes, tire rotations, and checking fluid level. Your owner's manual will have the specific intervals for your vehicle, so make sure to follow those recommendations.